Welcome back to a fantastic new episode. Today I will, actually 10 minutes after I just started recording, I am going to do this again and I'm going to walk you guys through it, and I'm going to be completely awesome and try and stay in touch with reality, meaning you. Oh no, not this part. I hate this part. Like, this part is one of the reasons I'd be like, yeah, I'm just gonna play on easy. Because I hate this part. Did I mention I hate this part? Kinda hate it. Don't really like it. It's annoying. Oh my god, no. We've got the twin... I'm gonna say it. Woo! Woo! Yeah, I just played Devil May Cry 3 like that Joker guy, really annoying. Woo! Constantly making that stupid sound. Fucking hate that boss fight. Yup. No treasure here, just awesome wall textures and door with lion. Bam. There's one guy up there, but I gotta enter the... This part was okay, like doable and stuff. Can't jump over this, I think. Whoa! Completely forgot about that, boy. Oh dear. Whew. Alright, we made it this far. This part is for me, but I'm decent at it. But I don't really know the enemy spawns or locations anymore. That's been way too long. I'm gonna go downstairs first, grab all the loot. Because my plan is usually to just run past all the enemies here. It's not that hard. Ooh, granata. Yeah, by the way, like the copyright strikes are keep on coming. It's kind of bizarre. It's unacceptable by any means necessary. Herp to derp. Yeah, the talking and playing thing is never paying off for me. It's kind of hard to do. Let's see what yeah, I've been playing some games, but mostly Devil May Cry 3. Still having a hard time. Played that. God, this is weird. Thought I'd be like this experienced YouTuber with experience. Epic gameplay experience. Yeah, Devil May Cry Dante Must Die mode, kind of hard for me. For some reason, Ninja Gaiden always like the patterns I can get, but here it's like 2 hits and you're gone. And I'm not really good at the dodge system, at least not yet. Come on, it's a piece of wood. There's one. There's probably one down here. Oh my god, you guys are probably crying. It's on the left, you asshole. No, it's not on the left, it's on the right. Everybody knows that. Oh, it's nice and tranquil. Alright, camera, show me where it is. It's behind me. Yeah, it's not gonna work right now. I really missed a few. I'm damn sure. No, it's about the bugs. So I thought they were gonna appear here, but they don't. Alright, where's the block? Oh, you're not gonna show me. Wonderful. Nothing here? No. Okay. You know what I've been watching? Firefly. You know the TV show? It's kind of a cult classic. Guy I knew talked about it a lot. Not a lot, but he said, you should give it a try. Saw the poster and was like, oh my god, these looks like a bunch of faggots. Not my thing, you know, low budget or something. Yeah, that show's pretty damn amazing. really good character development. Characters funny as well, pretty horrific, imaginative universe. It's pretty much got it all. Oh, there we go. Bam! Alright, that's 3. As from my memory tells me there's 4 in total. So there's one of you bitches down here. Or up there? No? Maybe? Why am I shooting there? Nah, that's nothing. Oh, shooting at a crate I destroyed. That's wonderful. Great use of ammo there, Roy. Yeah, genius. Oh, you're so good. I pressed start to skip the ladder climbing. Yeah, that's quite silly. No. I swear to God it was 3 of them. 4 of them. Could be wrong. I'm actually going to do the opera tonight. Orpheus and I don't know how you say his other name, like Eurydice? Don't know how to pronounce his name in English. It's going to be pretty cool. It's on the in a sort of a palace. They're going to perform it in the garden. Pretty cool. Oh, okay, so it's free. Kind of don't know what to expect, to be really honest, but I think it's going to be pretty cool. I hope. Archers everywhere. Well, the guy didn't even have a rendered face. Oh, fuck! Right? No! Yes, I'm killing everything with the most intense skill you have ever seen mankind seen. Yes, I'm just gonna say. Dun Tim. Can't jump over this, can I now? Idiots. Oh! Alright, that's not gonna work. I'm probably gonna take a step back and a step forward. Baiting those shield guys went pretty damn well, but the rest not so. Yeah. Come on. Come on. I can't skip the next part. That's gonna be hell incarnate. Thank you for stepping aside. You are most kind.